Hey there, I'm William with C.I.P Cubing, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the GAN 15 Maglev, one of the newest installments in GAN's Flagship Cube series. I got this cube a few months ago now, and have been using it as my main ever since I first opened it. The outside of the box has a very shiny, holographic look to it, and shows the GAN 15 on top. It slides open like most other GAN packaging, and the outside of the inner box has the same holographic shine to it, only on a silver background. This is the same exact look that the GAN 11M Pro packaging had. Opening up the box, you're first greeted with the GAN Cube identification card, which comes standard with most GAN cubes nowadays, and is mostly there for you just to boast to your friends that you have a GAN cube. The card has the same pattern as the box, and shows the GAN 15 on it. Under that, you can see the cube case, travel bag, and accessory box. Let's start with the accessory box first. On the outside of the box, you can see a printed GAN logo. Inside, you'll get a manual demonstrating how to remove the center caps and use the tensioning system, along with the tools required to do both of those. Setting the accessory box aside, we can take a look at the GAN travel bag, which is the same bag that comes with every single GAN cube nowadays. It's a deep blue velvet drawstring bag with the GAN logo printed on front. Now, let's get to the cube itself. Pulling out the case, you can see that it's made of hard white plastic like most other GAN cases, and sports the GAN logo on the small indent where you push to open it. Pushing on that indent, the case opens very smoothly, and you can see the cube sitting directly inside. If you notice an extra shine on the cube, that's because I ordered mine with the UV coating. Alongside the cube inside of the case, you will get a small instruction manual that shows you how to switch out the cord center magnets, along with the magnets. It's actually really easy to switch these magnets, and you can either use the tool provided with the GAN cube, or you can just use your fingers. Now, finally, let's move to the cube. The GAN 15 is very light, and turns almost like nothing. I passed it around to some of my friends and family, and they all said the same thing. It feels like you're turning air. Now, this is actually partly true due to the Maglev, which gives the cube a very smooth turning feeling, and eliminates any of the problems, including weird feelings or sounds that come with spring tensioning. The cube has corner to edge and corner to center magnets like most modern speed cubes nowadays. However, the GAN 15 doesn't have adjustable corner magnets, which has become almost a staple of the GAN Flagship series at this point. Performance-wise, I'd say it's one of the best 3x3s currently out on the market. And they've even just come out with an updated version of it with new internal plastic. Not only does the Maglev give very smooth and effortless turning, but it also eliminates many of the sounds that come with spring tensioning like I mentioned earlier, and you don't get that weird creaking sound in the springs that you can sometimes get with older spring tensioned cubes. Now, not everyone will like the GAN 15 Maglev, as some people don't like their cubes being this loose and airy and light. I know some people like their cubes a little on the heavier side and more controllable. Now, you can adjust the GAN 15 to be like this, either switching out the core to center magnets, messing with the tensioning, or just putting in different kinds of lubricants until you get a feel that you like. Going more into the performance side of this cube, within the first day that I received it, I beat every single one of my 3x3 records, including my long-standing 22-second record. Within the following weeks of receiving the cube, I somehow managed to get my average from around 35 down to 25 with just about an hour of practice every day. And this was very surprising to me, as I had used the GAN 11M Pro for months beforehand, and I wasn't improving at all. I guess that just shows that sometimes going with the new hardware is actually a lot better. Now, if you really don't like the Maglev and think it's just too uncontrollable, but do like the GAN 15 otherwise, you can always just buy a spring tensioning conversion kit. The GAN 15 Maglev is currently being sold for around $63 for a frosted finish, around $70 for a UV coated or new UV black, and around $80 to $100 for the 10th anniversary special edition and the Zenith special edition. All in all, I think the GAN 15 Maglev is a pretty good cube, and definitely one of the better ones on the market right now, and I'm very excited to see where GAN goes with their flagship series in the future. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more speed cubing content. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.